Good afternoon, students. Good afternoon, everyone. Homework for today, as usual, Wednesday. Our English workbook again, pages 6 and 7. Sentences. Let's read together. Exercise B. 1. I am 8 years old. 2. I like you. We are friends. My house is small. You are not my sister. Lucy and Annie are friends. My family is not big. Okay, next, C. 1. She is 2 years old. 2. It is not small. Big house is not small. They are friends. She is my grandmother. She is my grandmother. And next page, exercise D. 1. Are you brothers? No, we aren't. Is she your mother? Yes, she is. Are they 6 years old? No, they aren't. Is your house small? Yes, it is. And last, am I your friend? Yes, you are. Enough for today. Question is, are you brothers? Answer. And words. First one is respond. Respond. Next, rock. Rock. And third, move. Move. That's all for today, students. Homework. Do it, send to me. You're the best, students. See you. Bye-bye.